What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So it's time to do the battle of the cameras between the OnePlus 9 Pro and the Pixel 6. Now, this is a fan request video. So in this video, I'm going to do still footage, video, slow motion, and night photography, and everything else in between, so we can see which one is King Supreme. So as always, I wipe the camera lens on all my devices before I go out and shoot videos. So there's no excuses here on this YouTube channel. So let's go and see which one is King Supreme between both of these devices. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is, the OnePlus 9 Pro and the Pixel 6. Look, OnePlus have came a long way from having subpar cameras to one of my favorite camera phones of 2021. But the Pixel 6, the new kid on the block. Let's see what it's all about. So first, let's check optical image stabilization on both devices as I walk. You be the judge for yourself. Now look at that sky. I'm gonna tell you, both devices look really good when you're looking at that sky, nice and blue. I'm out here in the morning, and yeah, both devices doing a really good job. We're looking at that. Let's look at this plant. Okay, beautiful, just beautiful on both devices. You really can't go wrong with either. Just remember that the OnePlus 9 Pro definitely had a higher price point. Now, since the Pixel 6 came out, now we're getting a better price point on the OnePlus device. So there it is. So let's see here. Let's go on and zoom in and see which device is good. All right, so let's go ahead on and go 7x zoom on the Pixel 6. All right, there it is. And let's go 7x zoom on the OnePlus 9 Pro right there. All right, so 7x zoom on both devices. Both devices don't look that great, so let's go back to maybe about 2x zoom on both devices to give it a fair shake. Okay, and there it is, 2x zoom.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is. This is the OnePlus 9 Pro and the Pixel 6. Now, one of the things that I'm noticing about the Pixel 6 is that the front-facing camera is really good. As you can tell, the OnePlus 9 Pro is kind of blowing out the highlights a little bit. It's taking a little bit to get back in place there. But I wanted to show you guys this footage here so you can see which one is King Supreme. Again, I'm out here in the morning. Look at the face roll off here. The Pixel 6 is doing a fantastic job with the front facing camera versus the OnePlus 9 Pro. I'm out here early in the morning, so the sun is beaming straight down on me, and I got that huge highlight on my face there, just so y'all guys can see. But there it is. Kind of move around a little bit, see which device is going to compensate for the background. Look at the depth of field, look at the background there. You be the judge for yourself. I'm gonna go audio from side to side, so you can hear the audio on both devices. But here it is, the Pixel 6, the OnePlus 9 Pro. You be the judge for yourself. Man, look at that highlight just rolling off right there. See how bright that is right there? Look like the OnePlus 9 Pro is not doing a great job with that highlight roll off right there, but the Pixel 6 is. So there it is. All right, blowing out the highlights a little bit. There it is. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solution. Leave your comment down below. Woo! Woo! Leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think about the Pixel 6 and the OnePlus 9 Pro in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.